tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. That work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I have a Dodge Ram here. This one is getting 2 new doors, and then it has rocker panel damage. You can look down it, you can see how this is all bowed in right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start my repairs on this rocker panel, start working this metal out. I should be able to, if I grab each of these lines just right and start pulling it out, it'll go back into shape pretty nicely. So in order to bring this out, I'm gonna weld a couple tabs on the edge of this 90-degree angle right here, like that. Then I'll pull that out, and then I'll come down and I'll probably work this line next. But I'm gonna start right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a tab over here now. You can see how much this is bowed in on this, over in this area. And when I hold this up to the other side, it's perfectly straight. So this needs to come out right here. Shouldn't take much. Now you can see we are almost perfect right there. I'm gonna work this bottom line. I'm gonna do this one a little differently. I'm gonna put these keys all the way across this bottom line on the edge. Then I'll put a bar through them, and I'll show you how I'm gonna go about pulling these keys out all the way across.
All right, I went ahead and I hung the doors on this and got those adjusted out, got them fitting correctly. All my gaps look good, and you can see it's lining up with the rocker perfectly across the bottom. So it's coming along good. I am actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this down off the rack, and I'm gonna send this over to Eric to do the fill work on the rocker panel, and I'm gonna dive into my next one.